lineup. Look at this lineup.
Yeah. Look how fucking high up it is.
It's gonna be hard to get those off.
Now it looks even
Sucks, I know. This is dope. Pretty nasty lineup.
What the fuck does he have to put things in? He doesn't. I never noticed.
Oh, the front bumper? Oh shit, yeah. Oh wow. That's pretty crazy.
Maybe it's a different... Mike, what's the difference with the grills between the two of them? One a different year?
2019, 2018.
What's your Instagram again?
Giving zero fuchs.
There it is.
Not to be confused with giving zero fucks.
Which we pretty much say anyway.
Yeah, I know. Fucking Lambo. Damn Lamborghini.
Yeah.
So it's way more vintage than what you got. It looks a little bit more all right, I've seen this. Period specific, yeah.
Wow.
Velocity stack fuel injection. Each stack has got individual fuel injection. So
yeah, who'd you find to tune those guys?
There's only one guy that really works on Cobras. He's down in Norton. He's a really, really good guy. I actually bought it last year from a guy in Pennsylvania. So I want to build one from scratch, but I figured my kids are too young right now, and I don't want to tie up my garage for the next million years. So this was just a lot easier.
I got a guy that I used to work for at the bike shop. He can fucking tune bike.
Oh, give me a name. I'm always. I actually just got the transmission replaced. I got a Monster transmission on the guts, and
You say Monster?
and
He doesn't even have to park in a spot.
No, I would put him in his own separate spot also.
He gets his own row.
Yeah. I don't blame him. I would. Oh my god, look at that thing. Look at that.
Are we walking on this?
Can we? But do it casual. Hey, be cool, be cool. I have to change my ISO to take in all the beauty.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I gotta get this.
Wow. And then go home and say, hey, guess what I did?
Incredible.
Absolutely.
So this is yours, correct? Oh, that gentleman right there? Amazing. It is gorgeous.
It's an amazing car.
You crossed the pond just to drive in this.
I did.
You know what? I would actually cross from the other side of the planet to just drive this.
Go for a ride.
Sure. You been over to this side for?
Well, I've been over on business this week up in Maine, so it was good to finish the week coming down here because it's been raining in Maine all week. So to come here for a nice day of sunshine and
Oh my god, look at
day
this
in
thing.
Belmont with some carbs, it's good.
How do you like it over here?
I love it.
You should experience our winters.
Yeah, I have been in.
Oh, all right.
Yeah,
So you've
yeah,
been
yeah,
here a
yeah.
few times before.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Yeah. I come about 8 times a year. So.
Oh, that's not.
Wow. And it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it.
Yeah.
So would you say this is the first modified version of the GT40?
Hennessy's got one that's nasty.
Oh,
He's gonna
clickbait. Clickbait right there. First modified.
Yeah, that thing is ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Hennesssy's is like fucking $800, $900. He's done everything. Oh, that's nice too. The fucking GTR.
Oh my god, that looks good.
Yeah, it does actually. Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Yo, that is a fucking 34.
That is a 34.
Hey, you get that? Waiting for it.
No. That motherfucker
Like
is
doesn't-
probably 100.
Oh yeah.
Probably.
You get paid for tax. I do. I don't. By the building that he was in, so.
Wow.
Yeah. So it worked out. But the motor's like OEM, so haven't really touched it at all. They ended up having to do upgraded turbos, so I did 28
Was he racing it with the quick stop?
Yeah.
Dang it.
So we did like full.
Yeah, that's about.
Oh, it's a turbo 570 though. Is that nice?
No, Aston Martin.
Favorite color. Yeah, I like that color.
Man, their doors even go up. They don't need it. Eats it. With the Pro Charger or maybe not? It's not quite. Jesus.
That's your race right there.
Frankie, you smell everybody?
Dog spotting and car shows, baby. That's what it's all about.
So all of this money is going to Dana Farber under her name for research for her.
And so basically, we just wanted to bring attention that over there, where the baked goods are, there's a donation box, and basically all the baked goods are free, but we suggest that you donate. And we just wanted to thank everyone for coming, and thank you.
Woo! There's also a link on Instagram in Perry's bio, Mass Motors, and my bio, ma.exotic.
And the Pagani Perry one.
In the bottom of the bio, there's a link. You can click there and donate online if you don't want to donate in person. So,
All right.
thank you guys for
Thank
coming.
you, everyone.
We still have 2 more hours.